Tonight we have new details about the investigation into the death of Sandra Birchmore. She's the young woman who was allegedly groomed by 3 Stoughton police officers.
Her death was ruled a suicide, but her estate filed a wrongful death lawsuit. NBC 10's Eli Rosenberg live in Dedham after attending the civil hearing in Birchmore's case. Eli, what did you learn?
Yeah, this was a civil hearing tied to the wrongful death lawsuit filed by Sandra Birchmore's estate against those 3 officers and the town of Stoughton. But within that civil hearing, new details about the criminal investigation also playing out.
I just want Sandra Birchmore to get justice for herself and the child that she was carrying.
In recent weeks, the justice for Sandra Birchmore's social media accounts exploding in popularity.
The engagement has been amazing, and people are upset, rightfully so.
For the record, Colin.
But now new details on where things stand surrounding the investigation into Birchmore's death.
There is an ongoing investigation. It continues to be very active.
Birchmore died in February 2021. Her death ruled a suicide. When she died, she was 3 months pregnant.
Our investigation discovered that
A year later, the Stoughton police chief, saying a lengthy investigation found 3 former officers had an inappropriate sexual relationship with Birchmore, with one of those relationships starting when Birchmore was underage. The Boston Globe reporting last month, Birchmore's family hired a prominent forensic pathologist who concluded her death was a homicide.
That is significant. Extremely significant.
Now lawyers representing the officers suing the Attorney General's office, asking it to release files as it prepares to fight a civil wrongful death suit filed by Birchmore's estate.
My client has one opportunity to prove his innocence here, Your Honor.
To the extent that there is a homicide investigation taking place that, the Attorney General's office is not handling, it would not do anything to interfere with an ongoing homicide investigation.
So the hearing lasted about 40 minutes, no ruling. Instead, the judge asked the Attorney General's office to provide some more details about the different documents it has, the judge giving the AG's office 30 days to do so. Live in Dedham, Eli Rosenberg, NBC 10 Boston.